Our top story on 5 Live this evening comes from Turkey via Pakistan, the same country that India sent immediate assistance to when they were affected by a devastating earthquake in 2023. Remember, India did not think twice about helping Turkey at that point. Today, President Erdogan has assured support to Pakistan, and not just simple support, a sort of brotherhood that he has come out and said no emotional losses can deter him and his government. Shocked and angry, in turn, Indian tourists have said, if that is Turkey's response, we boycott Turkey and Azerbaijan. Watch this report to help understand what's happening.
In a shocking show of support, Turkey has reaffirmed that it backs Pakistan despite repercussions. Despite mass cancellations of booking to Turkey and Azerbaijan by Indian tourists, Turkish President Erdogan has reiterated its support to Pakistan, saying that Turkey has and will stand with Pakistan against India, whatever the repercussions be. He added that no economic losses will deter Turkey to stand with its Muslim brother Pakistan.
The nefarious terror attack or with the missile attack against Pakistan, we had a very clear stance. We expressed our support to the Pakistani public.
Despite India's recent earthquake assistance and growing engagement with Ankara, Turkey has sided with its all-weather ally Pakistan. And Erdogan's stance has caused massive outrage in India. The chorus to boycott Turkish products is hitting fever pitch.
जो राष्ट्र विरोधी गतिविधियां जो टर्की ने पाकिस्तान का साथ देके करी है, तो कहीं ना कहीं ये मैसेज जाएगा कि अगर इस तरीके की कोई भी गतिविधि भारत के विरुद्ध की जाएगी, तो सरकार ही नहीं, यहाँ के उद्योगपति भी पूरी तरह से सरकार के साथ खड़े हुए हैं।
टर्की की सभी आइटमों का निषेध करता हूँ। मेरे को कोई आइटम उनकी रखने में कोई इंटरेस्ट नहीं है। जो हमारे देश के साथ नहीं है, हम उनके साथ नहीं है।
Indian tourists are shunning Turkey and another Pakistan ally, Azerbaijan. Hundreds of Indian tourists are cancelling their trips to the two countries. The number of Indian tourists to Turkey has jumped over the last few years. But within last 1 week, the bookings to Istanbul have reduced by 60% and cancellations have surged by over 250%.
ये बिल्कुल गलत साइड पे खड़े हैं और इनका खड़ा होना उस साइड पे इनकी आइडियोलॉजी से रिलेटेड है, इनके इस्लामिक कंट्री होने से रिलेटेड है और ये वहां पे ड्रोन्स भी सप्लाई कर रहे हैं पाकिस्तान को। तो जैसे कि हमारे ऑनरेबल पीएम ने बोला है कि पानी और खून दोनों साथ में नहीं बह सकते, उसी तरह से पानी, खून और ट्रेड भी साथ में नहीं बहना चाहिए।
India has long had trade ties with Turkey. It had stood by the crisis-hit nation during the 2023 earthquake, launching Operation Dost and supplying relief material to tide over the humanitarian crisis. Turkey, in return, has supplied drones to Pakistan. But the nationwide outrage, the drop in sales of Turkish products and the sharp decline in visits to Ankara are all clear indications that Indians have refused to turn a blind eye to Turkey's all-out support to Pakistan. Bureau Report, India Today.